Day 2 begins early as we head north toward the ancient imperial city of Hue. One of the highlights along the way is a brief stop at Lap An Lagoon, a tranquil expanse of water nestled between the sea and the mountains. It's calm, reflective, and almost surreal. We pause here to breathe in the salty, sweet air.
Lap An Lagoon! Yay!
As we continue toward Hue, the landscape gradually shifts. Lush greenery, traditional houses, and occasional roadside markets.
Yay! We are going to Celestial Lady Pagoda, Thien Mu Pagoda on the Fragrance River, and it's raining. I like the name of the river, Fragrance. Ha!
The ride leads us to one of Hue's most iconic landmarks, the Thien Mu Pagoda, also known as the Celestial Lady Pagoda. Perched on a hill overlooking the water, this 7-story pagoda is not only a symbol of the city, but also the tallest religious building in Vietnam. Behind the pagoda lies a peaceful garden where bonsai trees, stone pathways, and blooming flowers create a quiet space for contemplation. The day is overcast with intermittent light showers, just enough to cool the air. It's the perfect weather for exploring.